Hey guys, Jessica here. We are packing to get ready to go on a family trip to Myrtle Beach. We're going to be staying in a resort on the ocean. It has 3 pools and of course beach access. So I wanted to just quickly go over 10 things that I'm going to be packing tonight in my bag because I don't really want to bring a lot of makeup. I want to make sure that I have SPF coverage since I have fair to porcelain skin and I burn really easy. So I wanted to show you the things that I'm bringing on our trip. So the first one I'm bringing is new to me. It is the Australian Gold Botanical 50 FPS. This one I have never used before, and when I opened it up I was a little concerned only because it is tinted, which I didn't realize. So here's the color on my skin. It's a little bit darker than my skin tone. Turning it the wrong way. There we are. It's a little bit darker than my skin tone, but I think that it will rub in pretty nicely. So I'm not quite sure what kind of coverage this will give. I know it'll give 50 SPF, which is good. So I'm going to bring it and try it out and see if I can just get away with this at the pool and the ocean, or if I need something a little bit more. So just in case this doesn't work out for me, I'm going to bring my tried and true CC cream. So I'm going to bring my IT Cosmetics CC cream. This has a SPF of 50. I will be honest, I tried this back in the fall and I wasn't really understanding what all the hype was about, and everyone was saying they loved it, and I really didn't find that. I didn't think really highly of it at all, actually. But I think it's because my skin was a lot lighter and none of the colors really went well with my skin tone. Now in the summer that I'm a little bit darker, I'm loving this. It's like 100+ degrees humidity here in Florida. It's disgusting. And this is working out really well with the humidity. So I'm loving it during the summertime. So I'm bringing that, and underneath it I'm going to be wearing the Neutrogena Rapid Repair SPF 30. I love this stuff. It's very lightweight. It has like a fresh kind of smell to it. It rubs in super quick. It absorbs quickly too. So it doesn't take very long, like a minute or two, to put anything on top of it. And it seems to work well with all the foundations that I've used it with, so I really like this. Another thing I'm going to bring is the IT Bye Bye pores. I'll probably use this at nighttime when we go out to dinner to kind of make it look more flawless of a look, not really during the daytime. To add a little pop of color for when I'm down by the pool, I'm bringing my Bobbi Brown. I love the Antigua. It's like a pinkish, shimmery, like beige pink. Love this color. It's what I have on my cheeks right now, and I like wearing this a lot. So I'm going to bring that. The next thing that I'm going to bring is my favorite eyeshadow palette at the moment, which is the Smashbox Full Exposure. I love this palette. I know some people don't like how small it is, but that's why I love it. It's the size of a credit card. It's very, very thin, and it has everything you need. So when you open it up, it has 4 beautiful shimmers, and then it has 4 mattes. And I love the color selection and that you have everything in it. You don't need another palette. So I'm going to bring this. The next thing that I'm going to bring, this is brand new. I just got this from Target. It is the L'Oreal Sparkling Rose color. It's the actual container for it's actually really pretty. It's like this crystal looking thing. But when you put it on, it's the color I have on my lips. It just gives a pop of color. It's very soft. It's a little bit more sheer, but it's very hydrating and very creamy on your lips. So I'm really enjoying that for a pop of color. The other thing I'll be bringing is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This so far is my favorite mascara. I have to say though that I like the non-waterproof better, usually. I find that the waterproof one kind of flakes and dries out faster, but because I'm going to be at the beach and the ocean, I'm bringing the waterproof one. The other thing that I just bought from Target, because I've heard a lot about it, is the Loreal Brow Stylist. I actually have it on right now. I was playing with it just to see how the color would come out. This one is light brunette. It is a little darker than what I'm used to, but it was like within a minute I had it on and it was done. So I mean, that was kind of nice. It does not say waterproof though, so I'm not quite sure how it's going to hold up with the beach and the water. So I'm going to bring it, I'm going to try it out, but just in case this doesn't work out, I am going to bring my Benefit brow pencil in shade 3 because I know that this works fine in the water. I've used it in my parents' pool and had no problems with it. So those are the 10 items that I'm going to be packing. I want to pack, like I said, pretty light because I have 3 little kids, and I'm sure as soon as they wake up, they're going to want to run to the ocean and the pool, and I won't have much time to get ready. But I definitely want the SPF. So I hope that you will like and subscribe, and I will talk to you from Myrtle Beach. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.